So we've all had this issue. We're going to start our seeds, whether it's spring or for the fall garden. We go and grab our 10 by 20 flat, and it's got holes in it, it's got cracks in it. The water cannot be bottom water, and you try to repair it with some hot glue, even makes things worse. So what we have found is if we just take some plastic, now this is plastic from a package that we got, or you can take 4 mil plastic, like the stuff you'd use over your low tunnel or high tunnel, cut it to make it larger than what the 10 by 20 flat is, set your tray in it, and you can bottom water, and it doesn't matter if there's holes in it or not. This water's been sitting in here for a day now, and it's not leaked out anywhere. Now, this has not been done on a long-term experimental process. However, for a short-term couple of weeks, this will get you by without having to kind of rebuy those plastic trays over and over again. So just some regular plastic, put in here. We got some water here. You do see the condensation, but for what little bit of condensation and the benefit in which you're going to gain from this by not having to buy trays and with the holes and the cracks in it, this should work just fine to get you through this year's seed starting season.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.